In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold on the Velox 5.7. This is a pretty good pistol here in Black Ops 7, and before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. We could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up your gunsmith on Black Ops 7 and then go over to the customize tab and into the camo section, specifically into these multiplayer camos right here. These are going to be all the challenges that you need to complete in order to get Shattered Gold. And the first 9 camos right here, being the military camos, are going to be your headshot camos. You have to get 80 of them total. And I'm not going to lie, with this being a burst, this is a little bit difficult. What I would recommend doing is kind of aiming for the top of the torso, just above where the chest is, because this gun does burst upward, and that last shot is going to be the one that counts for you in terms of getting that headshot. The best thing that I would do is play objective-based game modes like Domination or Hardpoint, and kind of play right outside of the Domination zones or the hardpoint area, and essentially just kind of rack up kills there. This is going to be what takes you the longest in terms of the rest of these camos, just knocking out these 80 headshots. But once again, just aim above like the top of the torso and it'll burst up and you'll get those headshots. The first special camo is the Diamondback camo, and this one is just getting 15 kills after sliding, diving, or wall jumping. You can do this while sliding, so that is probably the best thing to do overall. Just slide into them and just burst them a few times and you'll get those kills pretty quickly. This is just 15 times. It should only take you less than 1 game to complete. Moving on to the Raptor, you got to get 30 kills while or shortly after sprinting. This is pretty much the exact same thing, except instead of sliding this time, you're going to be sprinting. So just sprint towards them, burst them a few times, aim for the head, you'll kill them pretty quickly. And this is 30 kills. This should only take you 1 match total. Finally, for the mainframe camos, you got to get 30 kills, specifically on enemies affected by your tactical equipment, like stuns, for example. That's what I recommend using, is stuns specifically. And once again, go back to playing like Hardpoint, Domination, any of those objective-based game modes where they're kind of sitting inside of a zone. Go ahead and throw their stuns in there, and then run in there and get yourself some easy kills. This is only 30 kills total. It shouldn't take too long. It is kind of annoying, but hey, you got to do what you got to do in order to get Shattered Gold, which is the next camo right here. And this one is probably the hardest challenge with this pistol. And it's just 3 kills without dying 10 times. What I would recommend doing, once again, is playing those objective-based game modes. Something like Hardpoint, Domination, and essentially sitting outside of the Hardpoint, for example. And as people are running in to go claim the hardpoint, go ahead and take them out. Play as safe as possible, because if you do die before you do get those 3 kills, it is going to reset. But essentially, as soon as you get 3 kills, you can go ahead and die and restart that entire process. This should only take 2 or 3 games max, and you can knock it out pretty quickly. Overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.